Then open up the Riot client, click the profile icon, click settings, scroll down, click Valorant, click repair, click start repair, wait for a couple of seconds. It will repair your files and folders. Once repair is complete, after the pop-up will appear successfully repaired. Click OK. Then you can go with next step. Search for run. Type the following text: %local app data. Click OK. Scroll down. Click the Valorant. Click the saved folder and click web cache. Delete it. It's only cache, so your account will remain same. There is no problem for your account. The next you need to go to services. Click services. Here you need to search for VGC. Right click and go with properties. Click it. The startup type should be in automatic and the service status should be in running. Click apply and OK. Once complete, after close it and go with next tab. Search for CMD and click run as administrative. Type the following text: ipconfig /flush DNS. Type it and click enter. Next, ipconfig /release. Click enter. ipconfig /renew. Click enter. netsh winsock reset. Click enter. Correctly type the text. This is the important settings: netsh int ip reset. So this is the important command. Type it correctly and click enter. Once check all things are okay, then exit it. After doing this, you need to restart your PC. Once the restart is complete, after go and open the Valorant and Riot game.